what's up, everybody? Welcome to day one of the Sabre 45 build for Boston Yachts. TJ and Corey are going through the boat right now. They're bringing everything out that's going to be in the way during the install, putting down blankets, padding, getting everything prepped out on this install. Now, what is this install going to get? We've got a whole lot of stuff in store for it. It's getting a Fusion audio upgrade, a pair of GT51 transducers, I think it's a GSD 25 sonar module, IP cameras, FLIR cameras, there's a whole laundry list of stuff. And we're going to be showing you guys this every day as this build continues. So be sure to give us a follow. YouTube, Instagram, Navtronics, you know the spiel. Check it out. We're going to have a lot more stuff on this boat coming up soon. Peace.